So I think I've always known that I wanted to do special education, but I would say like who inspired me the most was when I was in college and I did my student teaching placement. I had the best mentor in the world. So like before I met her, her name's Liza Burnstead, if she's watching, I love her. But she showed me how fun education could be and what these students are capable of that a lot of people will say, you know, they can't do that because they have disabilities. So Liza really taught me, we don't really say that in this room, and if there's a will, there's a way. So I give it up to her that I know anything about special ed ever, know how to teach. She's the best. I just love to be really silly. And I think that in my teaching and in my class, having like a lighthearted attitude and having fun and dancing and singing and making the kids laugh and help them to know that if I can be this silly, like you can also be silly and go out of your comfort zone. You can't make more of a fool of yourself than I've already made of myself today. I think that helps me have more fun and helps the kids have fun. So I would say that, just trying to keep a positive attitude and keep us laughing in there. And I would hope that they would say that they knew they could do anything, and that I never said to them that their disability would stop them from doing anything. So we've done some crazy, what people would say is crazy in my class. We've gone rock climbing, we've gone Nordic skiing every year. I've taken them on hikes and like all these things that people would say, well, they can't do that because they use wheelchairs, or they can't do that because they don't speak, things people would say. But I hope that at the end of being in my class, they would know, no, there's going to be a way. We're going to figure it out. It might look different because we access things in different ways. We can do anything despite our disability, right? So we might just do it in a different way. So I hope that's what they would say.